Welcome back, everyone, to another episode of Trade by Numbers. Man, we had a lot of rain yesterday, almost 6 inches here where I live. It was really coming down, and so was the market. Now, I made a video yesterday morning saying, "Are we in a bubble?" I explained that I believed we were, that I was waiting for this pin to pop this bubble at any time, and we had a pretty significant move down yesterday. So let's talk about that for just a minute. S&P down by 1.38%, Dow Jones down by 1.26%, and the Nasdaq down 1.78%. So a fairly significant day down yesterday, even though crypto had a pretty good rally, running us right back up to that $25,000 mark before falling off nearly $2,000 yesterday. So, a lot of things moving around. We're hitting those levels that we've been looking at, and the market is starting to give us that retracement that, quite frankly, I've been calling for a little while. Had a lot of people in the chat, they're like, "Josiah, you're wrong, you're wrong. The market just keeps going up." Well, I never believed I was wrong. I was just early, and I was early because the market was just not reacting to how it should be reacting based on the numbers that everybody's getting. Oh, but we had a pretty good retracement. Does that mean that the market's just going to go down? No, we've talked about that. The market doesn't run straight up, it doesn't go straight down. After a big day like yesterday, we could see a green day today. We could see it bounce back just a little bit. However, we are closed on Monday, so we're sitting here on Friday. That means we're going to have a 3 day weekend. I look for the market to be down. I look for the market to pull back more because we're going to have that 3 day weekend. And with the downturn that we had yesterday, I just look for that to go ahead and continue and have a multi-day downward run. Now, with that being said, we are down 0.5% in the pre-market already, which would kind of back that story up a little bit. And then depending on what time frame, like looking at Bitcoin on Webull, Bitcoin is looking like it's trying to be green from where it was yesterday morning. However, looking at my Coinbase account, I already looked at there, and on that time frame, Bitcoin's already down on the day. So that would further back that up. Now, I've been watching this market. I've just been trying to get a feel for it and let it do its thing. You got to remember, one of the smartest things I think I ever heard anyone say was the space between music is music as well. And it's the same in trading. Sometimes the smartest thing you can do is just take a beat, just let it come to you. We don't want to chase the markets. When you start chasing the market, it's a recipe for disaster. So the only move that I made yesterday, I told you that I was going to be watching Coinbase. If I seen Bitcoin run up, hit that 25, get rejected off of it and start to come back down, then I was going to take a position. I did. I picked up a position, or I shorted a position, should I say, picked up some puts in it, and they are doing very well, or will be doing very well right where we're at when we open tomorrow. So I'm excited to see where that goes because we had almost a 5.5% downturn yesterday. Now it already started coming down when I bought it, picked them up right there at the $71 strike price, and I think that's going to be a good spot for it. We'll see how it opens up this morning. Very well could continue downward. We could see another 3 to 5% down from where we're at now if the market does continue to sell off today like I think that it will. And I'm not trying to just come on here and talk about the markets. I don't want to just try to beat the market up and say the market needs to be going down, needs to be going up. But by having an idea of where the market's going, it gives you, everyone out there viewing, a little broader array instead of just me calling out a stock. Gives you my broader field of where I see the market going so that you can pick the stocks that you love if you're not wanting to trade the ones that I'm trading. I bring the ones that I'm trading to you because I see a lot of potential in it, quick money, and that's why I'm putting my money into it, and that's why I'm putting it out here for you to be able to follow along. Anything I say is not financial advice. I wish that I could give financial advice. Not a financial advisor, so it's not financial advice. But what I do want you to do is follow along with me, at the very least paper trade with me. Learn this skill, because once you have this skill, you don't have to worry about trading your time for money ever again. You can start investing, you can start breaking away from the rat race and achieving financial freedom. And that's ultimately what I want for everyone. Now, please remember, if you haven't commented, comment in my videos. I'm still doing the giveaway. I've got $10,000. I've asked everybody how they want to see that give out. Make sure you're commenting on there how you want to see that done, and we're going to continue to do this month over month. Join me this afternoon. We'll go over everything, and until then, be blessed, and remember, never trade with your emotions, always trade